Hello, Tatum. There goes Tegan. Hi, Tatum. Where you going? Where you going all dressed up? Where are you going, Tegan? I know, but where are you going? You're all dressed up. What?
Soccer.
Are you going to go play soccer? With who?
Johnny.
With Johnny? Anybody else? Freddie?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you excited?
Freddy's going to play soccer.
Yeah. And then tomorrow, we're going to go dance with princess ballerinas. Put tutu on, okay? Do you want to put a tutu on too? Yeah?
She doesn't want to go.
No? She doesn't want to go?
She just wants to see.
Okay.
She just wants to go home.
Oh, okay. Tatum, can you say bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.